Hello all, I'm Mrs. Aarti Maisekar. In this video, we are going to see how to create a simple Android application. So I'm going to start with a new Android Studio project. So this screen will get open. As you can see, there are two files, main activity.java and activity underscore main.xml. So XML file is used basically to create layouts, and .java file is for writing the Java code. So you will be able to get these files if you click on here, Android app. These are the two main folders, Java and resources. So if I click on Java, simple app, which is the name of my application. So this is the package name, main activity.java. This file is here, and res, that is a resource folder layout. Here you will be able to see activity main.xml file. So let us start with creating our first application. So in this palette, you will be able to see so many options like text view, button, image view, recycler view, scroller view, etc. This component tree panel is nothing but here you will be able to see the layout of your screen and the components or the views which are under that particular layout. So right now we'll keep the constraint layout as it is, and I'm going to put one button over here. By default, it is taking one view, which is called a text view with the hello world text. We'll drag the button. So as you can see, the components will get aligned with each other. As this is a constraint layout, we have to define the constraints from all the sides of this particular button. We'll see the constraint layout part in detail in layouts video. So I'm just adding the constraints by clicking on this plus sign. So from this button, I'm going to set the margin, the top margin, to 150 dp. Whatever view you are going to choose, a text view, a button, a scroll view. So based on your selection, you will be able to see the attributes over here. So I will choose button and button ID as BTN MSG. The text on that button is say click me. On clicking of this button, we have to display a small toast or a message. So here on click, I'm going to call a function called show MSG. This function, it should be there in activity, main activity.java file. If it is not there, it will show error message, but yes, we can create it afterwards. So we set three attributes for this particular button: the ID of the button, then the text that we want to show on the button, and the on click attribute. So these attributes you can change by three ways. The first way is you choose the option, and from here, from attributes panel, you can change it. The other way, the second way, is you can go in this code section where you will be able to see the entire XML file in a code format. From here also you can change the attributes. So now there are two views in the layout panel. So here it is the first one, which is text view with the hello world text and this ID, and the button is the second one with ID and then message. Then for the text, we had written click me, and this is the function that will get called when we click on that particular button. Now it is showing red underline because that method is not present in a Java file. So I will just select this option and create show message view in main activity. I will select this. So it will automatically create a function for us in main activity.java file. So now I want to display a small message. So a very simple way to display a message is I can use the option which is called as a toast. It comes with the make text method, toast.makeText. Then here you have to define where you want to display the toast, this, then the message that we want to display in a toast. The next argument for this function is we need to define the integer duration. So here I'm saying toast, I will give dot length long. So there are two options, length long and length short, basically for how much time you want that message to be displayed. Dot show. Show is the method to display that particular toast. Now this is our first very simple application. When user will click on the particular button, click me, it will call this function which is called show msg from main activity.java, where we are going to use toast to display this particular message to the user. So now we'll try to run it. Run app. So as you can see here, there is a text view with text hello world and a button with name click me. So if I click on this particular button, it will show me a toast, hello, how are you? And the toast, the message will get disappear after some duration of time. This is what our first simple application. We'll see some more applications in next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.